Hello guys, new Apple Times here, welcome to a new video, and today we're unboxing another Apple Watch band, and it's my first Braided Solo Loop band, and this is the Abyss Blue Braided Solo Loop. Okay, so these bands came out a couple years ago, I think, together with the Apple Watch Series 6, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, they're super seamless, super nice, but they're not resizable. So there is one size and that's what there is. So you really need to make sure you measure your wrist well before buying one. If you want to know how to do that, I have a very good video explaining it here, I think. And yeah, so this is not cheap. This costs $100, 100 euro, 100 pounds. Yeah, they didn't do the conversion very well in there, but yeah, it also costs 3,100 Thailand baht. That's what I bought it for, which is considerably cheaper, to be honest. It's around 80 euro, so that's not too bad. But yeah, so yeah, as you can see, the box is really straightforward. It will tell you the color here and the size here, both the size of your watch, which is 45 in this case, but it's the same as 44 and 42, and size 4, which is the size of my wrist. So apparently, I did measure it in the Apple Store. That's another option. If you have an Apple Store nearby, just go measure it there because it will be the most accurate. But yeah, so the Apple Store employees, I bought it in an Apple Store, and the Apple Store employees told me that the size that you measure will be good for this one, but for the Solo Loop, that's not braided, it's the silicone one, they advise to get one more size, just because in summer and stuff, it will get, with the heat, it will get more, like, yeah, a bit tighter. So yeah, it's better to get one size larger, but for this, just what you measure. So yeah, enough of me talking. That's the back of the box, in case I didn't show you before. Now we peel the pull tab open. I love having tons of this throughout my studio. And then we open it here. So I said this is my first Braided Solo Loop, but not my first solo loop in general. I have two others, one that matches this shirt and a yellow one. But yeah, are you ready? You will see it first, I won't. How does it look? Does it look good? Yes, it does. It looks really cool. So this is elastic, and that's very nice. Like, look how elastic it is. Like, very nice. It will stretch quite a bit, and yeah, so it will give, I guess with time, over time, it will give off a little bit. I'm not sure if this is meant to do sport with or to sweat a lot. Probably not, and even if it is, I wouldn't. Just like the sports loop, I don't like nylon ones. I don't like doing sport with those, just because they're hard to clean and stuff. But yeah, putting it on is as simple as always. You just do one side, pull the other, and whoa, it looks sick. Okay, something I love, okay, let's see it here. Something I love about this band is that you cannot see anywhere the connection points. Because on other bands like the Milanese Loop, you can see the connector around. So if your watch doesn't match the color, it will look a bit off. But this one is just seamless. It's just the nylon. It's very good. But yeah, let's see what it looks like on my wrist. As you can see, I'm very tan. Not on the watch though, because I always wear it. And it's so comfortable. It's very comfortable. And something I noticed as well, and the reason why I don't wear a lot the other ones, are because in summer and stuff, it takes a pretty decent effort to get it out, because it will try to get stuck on your skin, but this one doesn't. This one just flows seamlessly, which is great. So yeah, love the look of it and how seamless it is all over. I mean, that's the purpose of the band. Also, size 4 is my size. My wrist measures 15 centimeters, if that's of any help for you. But again, use the size guide. And yeah, I think it looks perfect. I wouldn't change the size. And it's quite hot right now, and I'm almost sweating, to be honest. But yeah, you know that with the heat, we tend to expand. So in winter, it will be a bit looser. But yeah, This is perfect. I love this. I love how it looks. It's pretty expensive, pretty damn expensive. It's so overpriced, but I just love how it looks. It looks insane. Another one of these bands I really like is the 2021 Pride edition Braided Solo Loop. I haven't had the chance to buy it yet. In fact, I was gonna buy that one instead of this one in Thailand, but they didn't have it. So I will order it in a few weeks when I'm in Spain because it's a bit cheaper, and I will post a review. So subscribe if you don't want to miss it, and in the meantime you will enjoy a lot of Apple videos that I post weekly. Also, let me know down below in the comments if you have any question about this band or any other solo loop or braided solo loop bands, and I will do my best to answer. And thumbs up if you like this video, and again, subscribe if you like Apple content and you would like to see some in your feed daily. I mean, not daily, weekly. Bi-weekly, ideally. But yeah, thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.